LA. We went to breakfast earlier and today we're gonna go to the beach. So I'm just gonna do my makeup really fast. So I just got ready and Jose and I are just going on a little walk. We wanted to explore where our hotel is. We're gonna go wait until everyone else is ready and then we're gonna head to the beach. I think we're going to Santa Monica. We changed our mind. We're actually gonna go to a beach in Laguna Beach. We're at lunch now. We found this really cool diner in Laguna Beach and we're gonna check it out.
I was in love before, and then you moved in next door. Pretty blue eyes, pretty blue eyes. All the guys from the neighborhood keep saying you sure look good with your blue eyes.
So we're at lunch right now. It's taken us a little while to get a table because there's a baseball team here, but it's really cute. We're on top of the building and they let us bring Max inside, so we're really happy about that. And it's just like the most precious place ever. What do you think?
It's really cool. Oreo milkshake is bomb.
Have you tried it?
No, but I just know it is.
Oh, you're so adorable. So we're leaving the diner right now. It was a really good lunch. I still have so much left over.
You guys want to see my car? It's very solid.
So do you have the keys?
Yeah.
Oh, open the door then.
It's open.
We're back at our hotel room. We are going to take like a little bit of a nap, like a rest, because we got in so late yesterday, so it's just really tiring. And we're probably gonna like shower because we went into the ocean, and then I'm not sure what else we're gonna do today, so catch you later. Jose just took a nap and I just like was on my phone on Instagram and stuff. I'm just gonna quickly blow dry our swimsuits because when we went to the beach, we got all salty and sandy, and I just like washed our swimsuits in the sink when we got back, so they didn't really get a chance to dry. And then Jose's gonna get up and we're gonna go to the pool. I just blow dried our swimsuits for so long and they're not getting much drier at all. Honestly, I just gave up. We're gonna go to the pool in wetsuits. Who cares? To the pool. The pool is literally right outside our door, so it's lit.